Hi guys, welcome to our channel. I'm gonna just dive right into it today. Everyone is hustling, right? Everyone tries to find a way to make money from their fingertips, right? It could be from your phone, it could be just from a laptop, or you probably want to earn money as you walk, right? And one of the things that we are going to talk today is how to make money out of your cell phone, right? And the expert is on the other side. So I'm going to turn it over to you with my first question. Is there an app that we can use to earn money from your phone, and what would be that app, and what is it about? Can we talk about that? Can we start off by talking about it?
Sure, yeah. So most people don't think that, everybody has a cell phone, right?
Yeah.
Smartphone, we are talking about a smartphone. Like
Right.
most of these smartphones that these days has like 5 megapixel or more. It's a good camera, actually better
Right.
than the older cameras. So there are tons of apps out there. But I would say there are like top 10 apps, but we are going to cover only two apps today, just to make it simple, because those two apps are easy to get in.
Hmm.
Anybody who can take a picture, right? Hold the
Right.
phone, take some pictures. I'm pretty sure everybody have like thousands of pictures in their phone right now, right? Just look around, and even you can actually submit your people picture like you have, right? Your family pictures. As long as you had to release the model release, there is something called model release, but you don't have anything other than people. Like I would go with the other objects, like a food pictures, right? Food pictures, building pictures, some street pictures, beach pictures, animal pictures, all those things. Just gather around, put it in a folder, and that's all you need to do. First step, right? And the next step is I'm going to show you guys a couple of apps. First app is called Dreams Time, Dreams Time companion app. So just search for it, Dreams Time. We will have a link down below in the
Hmm.
description. But you can just search for it, install that app. It's free. The whole thing is free. It just needs your time and a little bit of work. Just putting titles and stuff like that for the pictures, right? That's all. So let's
Any way that you can share your screen or?
yeah, I'm gonna actually share my phone,
Okay.
yeah, directly my phone
Good.
into the screen. Let's see how that works. So let me try. We are trying this as actually the second time, so let's
Yeah.
bear with us, guys.
Yep. I think it's coming up. There you
Let
go.
me
Okay.
know if you can. Okay, you can start seeing my screen, right?
Yes.
Great. It takes few seconds for
There you go. Now I'm looking at your uh, main screen.
home screen, right? I
Yeah.
always arrange my home screen in such a way that it's in different folders. We will have a different episode to talk about all these apps, finance apps, utilities, or Google apps, what I use, selling apps, what I use, all those things. But today we are focusing on the stock photos, right? Like I said, there are so many different websites, apps out there. Like Adobe has their own stock photography, and other companies, but we're going to focus on these two. Dreamstime, first one is Dreamstime Companion. Second one is Shutterstock Contributor app, right?
Yeah.
Those are the two. I'm going to open the first one, Dreamstime. Here, I'm going to show you. I actually made around, like, I think $1,600 so far in several years. But I only have like 883 pictures. You see that? You can see, I
Yeah.
think, right there.
And just a quick, sorry to interrupt, but I think this piece is also as important as showing the navigation of it. So in order to earn money, right, you have to give your bank account details and all that jazz, right? So is
Right.
that, how do you set up that? Like, do you have to give your personal, like, details on when you're setting this up? Because you have to give your bank account details. Is that right?
That's right. Yeah. So they are actually send a check also. They are actually
Okay.
send you a PayPal, because if you are in the US, they have to report that to IRS anyway,
Hmm.
right?
For income
For
tax.
making money above $600, they
Right.
have to report it. Um, So that's one thing. And if you are outside US, I think they do have to report the income,
Hmm.
because they have some cut, like 40%. I think they cut, 60% they give it to you.
Hmm.
That's what their thing is. But anyway, so right now I have, like, 883 uploads, 874 sales, right? So it used to be like a $2, $3, $5 even per download. But these days, like, you can see, like, just 13th May, right? This NASCAR race car, like, I can open it. I took it actually in my camera, this one from my camera. So somebody downloaded, and this is another download. Um, I go around to different houses, communities, and all. So we will go through that in another videos. I took some pictures from my cell phone. This is cell phone picture, right? This is another cell phone picture. This is another cell phone picture from Walmart pickup. I went there to pick up something. So I just took a picture real quick.
And just a quick question again. So because you're making sales out of it, can you share the details of your phone, like what type or what the megapixels and the, whether it's iPhone 6, 10, S or whatever?
Right. I have iPhone 10. So it's actually it's a pretty good camera, but if you have a Samsung, right?
Uh-huh.
Samsung actually has a better camera too.
Okay.
Samsung Galaxy, anything like S8, S10,
Okay.
Samsung Galaxy S10 and above has a
Okay.
very good camera. And the recent one that came out is a three cameras actually. So it's much better. Like, as you can see, I have
Oh, wow.
some waterfalls from Portland in some another pictures. Yeah, there are tons of pictures, but I don't want to go through everything and bore you guys. But this one takes any pictures. It doesn't matter, as long as it doesn't have a copyrighted stuff. Like, you cannot take something that is people, the baby pictures, and don't upload model release. Like, there is something called model release. There is only one page thing. You have to put the baby's name. If it's a baby, you have to put the baby's parents' name, their signature,
Oh.
and all those things. It's just a one-time thing. You just have
And
to
do
upload
you,
those.
yeah, what if you want to put up your own baby's picture?
Yeah, you just have to put your name and
Okay.
put a signature on that.
Okay. All right.
And it's a one-time thing. It's like a model. Like, your baby is your model, right? So you just they just need to identify who's that, and you have to attach a ID to it.
Okay.
So it's pretty strict. They're pretty strict about it.
So basically, if you're taking pictures of people, then you have to be adhere to those guidelines. But if you're taking the nature,
Nature
something
pictures,
that you
yeah,
like,
it doesn't matter,
okay, so it's good.
right?
And all you have to do is download the app and upload those pictures. And then, do you get to choose
So
the
upload is
quality?
here when you,
Okay.
yeah, we will go through the functionalities, but I don't want to show
Okay.
all these personal pictures here.
Right.
But upload is the down arrow, you see the green
Mhm.
color arrow, and anything that is pending for review, actually they review it once you upload it, and that goes into pending on the right bottom corner, and then it becomes an online file. As soon as
Okay.
you have it, it becomes online file. I can show you guys some pictures. Like, I take a lot of food pictures, nature pictures, architecture. Wherever I go, I just snap a
Nice.
picture. um,
What is that thing on those pictures? Is it?
oh, it's just the copyright. So most,
Okay.
like, it says dreams time with the symbol.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So people won't download it without paying.
Yeah. All right.
So
So
yeah.
do you have to do anything to have that copyright to yourself, or does the Dreams Time
So
do it?
these are all royalty free images. It's something called royalty. You own the picture, right?
Right.
And then you're just giving, it's a royalty free. The users can download this,
Hmm.
paying like $4, $3,
Right.
$2, right? You get like 50%, 60% of it commission.
Okay.
And then users can use it only for their purpose. They don't own that picture.
Right. You
They
still.
For example, they can use it in their website. They can print out a poster out of it,
Mhm. Okay.
something, design something, right? They're always looking for some nature picture, and also like a mountain. Like, if you want a picture of a mountain, you don't need to go to a mountain and hire a photographer and go and take a picture. No, you just, these days you just go, you have an account with
Yeah.
these companies, you just go there and look for a mountain, and there are tons of mountains there, right? People
Right.
are contributing a lot of pictures, and
Yeah.
you just download them, that's it.
All right. Nice.
And so yeah, like I said, it's pretty easy to upload from this
And
from your
$0. Why is it showing as $0?
because these are online files.
Okay.
I like, you can see this didn't sell now, like they haven't sold it yet.
Okay.
And if I have to go to the earnings, if I go to the earnings, then I actually go see that, you see this thing, right?
Right. So the first, for an example, the first photo, $2.20. Is it something that's sold, or is that
Sold,
the
yeah,
price
that
tag
is
that
sold.
we?
Like, it shows like 20th March, this solar panel
Okay.
sold, right? If I open that up, actually this solar panel itself, you can see total earnings in the bottom, right?
Oh yeah, $59.
Yeah, so let me try to see the, it doesn't open up. Yeah, yeah, so it's been downloaded for a
Wow.
long time. Like, I took it in Virginia,
2007, 2010.
right? Yeah, so it's been they have been downloading, like, sometime $8.13, sometime $2, sometime $3.
So at which point you assign the price tag when
There's
you
no price
upload it?
tag, like, it's continuous. The beauty of this thing is the continuous, like, until I die, maybe it's, even I die also, this will be there for my kids to take care.
Right. So like for an example, this particular picture, I see that 0.42, and then I see $2.20. So what does it mean? Like, was it
uh,
sold 0.
yeah, no, it's because of the different subscription. Like, somebody might have like, they paid $1,000 per month
Uh-huh.
to Dreamstime. They might have unlimited subscription, right?
Hmm.
So what happens if they download let's say 1,000 pictures, right?
Hmm.
They automatically get like $1 per picture, right? It's basically
Okay.
$1. And then so they give us 42 cents.
Okay.
And
Okay.
it depends on the, like, they might have a subscription like $200 per month, but you only can download 100 pictures, maybe 50 pictures, right?
Okay.
That's like $4 per picture.
Okay.
And then I would get $2 something. uh,
Okay. Okay.
So it just varies based on the subscription. You can see like a subscription median, subscription maximum. You don't need to worry about it because the main thing you should focus on getting a good picture up, or looking for a good picture that you already took it in your phone,
Hmm.
uploading them, and just to start the process.
And through your experience, what are the best categories to be uploaded on Dreamstime? Is it nature? Is it
The
cooking?
people, no, not nature, is not nature, anybody can take.
Right.
People picture is really like people with different colors,
Okay.
like a race. Like, if you have a friends, like, different race, you just want to show the diversity,
Diversity. Hmm.
and just the hand, like, you can ask them to put their hand, all this hand, like, just take a hand pictures from the top. That's good enough. Like,
Okay.
we will talk about another topic, because it's going to extend everything, right? This video, how to, what kind of pictures you can take
Yep.
to make more money, right?
Right.
So let's jump into another site, right? Another site is Shutterstock Contributor. It's also pretty easy to jump in, and so I have, like, you can see all these are almost cell phone pictures, 99% here. Most of them are food pictures. Some of them are like when I'm walking, I just take some pictures.
Mhm.
Like, for example, I want to show you this to everybody, that I didn't I took it in such an angle that I don't show any letters or symbols or anything, right? So you don't see any kind of copyright. On the other side, it had like some kind of writing. So I don't, you shouldn't be focusing on that.
Right.
So yeah, just wanted to show like these kind of like backgrounds you can take. there are tons of like I took a picture of from my fridge, right? So just there are tons of opportunities you would have
Yeah.
just playing with your cell phone, and one day this might get downloaded by French people, right? I don't know, who knows. $10 they might pay.
Yeah.
So that's
So you have to add key phrases. Is that what I'm seeing down below under keywords? So when you
exactly, yeah, yeah. You have to add the title, but the good thing with the cell phone is it actually tells you what key phrases based on the picture automatically.
right,
Else you just click on, just press, it adds into it, and you can probably write up something or you can talk to it. I actually talk with the cell phone. It's pretty easy, just takes like 10 seconds, 10 to 20 seconds to for each picture, but it's really worth it.
very handy.
So that's all guys for today, but I have some good nice pictures too. I have some moderately good pictures, but as you can see, it's full of grocery stuff. uh
See, that's what we said, right? Money making is at your fingertips. You just have to have the phone with 5 megapixels, and then boom, you can start earning money.
Right, right. Yeah, you
Right.
said it right. So I think, yeah, that's all I got for today. You have anything to add, Randy?
No, but like you said, we'll be talking in detail in another
Right.
episode. So this is a quick one. Thank you,
That's
guys.
right. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching.
Yeah.